welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am gonna review the very hyped perfume over the internet, that is Bath and Body Works ka Japanese Cherry Blossom. So I really wanted to give it a try. It was very trending. It was all over the internet. People were talking about it ki bhai, this is the very elegant perfume that you can have in your wardrobe. It's really amazing. It's a must have fragrance. Also BBW ke side pe it is ranked on the second number. So I was like, yeah, let's give it a try. And मैंने छोटी bottle भी नहीं मंगवाई. Didn't go for travel size, just went for the biggest bottle. So let's see, does it stand on my expectation? So usually we spritz the perfume 15 to 20 centimeter picture. When it comes to mist perfumes, you can spritz pass se. Okay, so not gonna lie, I've tried this fragrance एक बार और जब ये parcel I received. उस time पे नहीं समझ आई थी because I was like, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है टू द फ्रेग्रेंस टू गेट सेटल. टाइम लगता है, उसके नोट्स ठीक से नहीं समझ आते हैं. बट एवरी टाइम आई ट्राई दिस परफ्यूम इट जस्ट गिव्स मी फ्लैशबैक टू माई डॉग्स शैम्पू. येस, यू हर्ड दैट राइट. तो मुझे इसमें से आ रही है, सबसे पहला जो नोट आएगा, सबसे पहले व्हेन यू स्प्रिट्स इट फर्स्ट, सबसे पहला यू नो व्हाट यू विल गेट सम सिंथेटिक अल्कोहल दैट विल गो स्ट्रेट इनसाइड योर नोज, राइट. तो मेक श्योर आप बिल्कुल पास से स्प्रिट्सिंग, और बहुत गंदा एक्सपीरियंस होगा. स्प्रिट्स इट फ्रॉम थोड़ा दूर से. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इसमें से डॉग शैम्पू, पैंटीन, सम शैम्पू, कंडीशनर, वैसी फ्रेग्रेंस आ रही है. नॉट एट ऑल सोफिस्टिकेटेड. इट्स नॉट इवन फ्लोरल, नॉट इवन स्वीट, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, जापानीज चेरी ब्लॉसम. तो it doesn't stand by its name. The notes are Japanese cherry blossom, Asian pear, fresh mimosa petals, white jasmine and blushing sandalwood. I've had mimosa perfumes like many times. Mimosa perfumes smell so good. They are so fresh. They are so out of the world fragrance. Mimosa is really nice. I'm into fruity fragrances, so I love mimosa. But I don't get any notes of mimosa, to be very honest. It's a very mediocre kind of fragrance. It's not for college going girls. It's not for a date night. It's not sensual. It's not fruity, seductive, attractive, intriguing. No, कुछ भी नहीं है ये. एक बहुत ही synthetic, mediocre perfume है. I don't know. I just didn't like it. Everybody has a different opinion. I do agree, but I personally didn't like this fragrance. For $2099, this is a waste. This is definitely a waste. I'll go for low range के perfumes instead of this. That is Bella Vita, Plum, वो better हैं, but this one in this range is not even worth it. So it's a no from my end. On the scale of 10, I would rate it 2.5. That is what this perfume gets. I really wanted to love this perfume or this fragrance because it definitely feels illegal to not love a fragrance that's so overhyped and so many people are loving it and they're like, this is luxury, this is a really good fragrance. But I'm not sure, for some reason I just didn't like it. So yeah, that was it. If you guys want to go for it, go at your own risk, because this was literally a blind buy. Because ऐसे होता ना कि reviews देखते हैं and then we're like, okay, इतने लोगों को, but this is a sign that not all reviews on internet are true. So it's better to go to a mall, sniff the fragrance and then go for it. And that is my suggestion. I usually don't go for fragrances before test try kind of, but ये blind buy था and it is very bad. So it's a no from my end. If you like this fragrance, please नीचे comment down करो कि what kind of notes you guys got, क्योंकि मुझे literally it still is in my throat. I feel जैसे मैंने एक शैम्पू का एक स्पून खा लिया है. That sounds weird, but I don't like it. And if you guys like it, please comment down कि कैसी fragrance आई आपको, and what's the projection power, because इसकी lasting is also not long. बहुत it just disappears in 5 minutes. I can't smell anything now. So yeah, that's all. And if you've come so far, thank you so much. Share it with your friends and stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye. I love you.